Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a video on some stuff I got because I'm trying to do different crafts. The first one is a rivet. I got this on eBay for $9.99 and I think it was $5 shipping. It came with these studs. And I like it because it's metal. So let's put something on here. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay your material on this bottom base thing. Oops. Let me do it like this first. You're going to lay it on here. And then you're going to push this. And there you go. So this is pretty cool. And next, it's a hot fix crystal tool. I got this at Michael's. I think it was $19.99, but I used I think it was a 50% off. And what this does is it heats the stones or the rhinestones or the crystals, because these little things, let me show you, has glue in the back, and it heats it so the glue in the back will melt and it'll stick on a material or something. So this one comes with, I like this one because it has an on and off switch, and it comes with these different sizes tips. Okay, it comes with this, and that's it. So I also have another one. And I got this online, and it's called Bedazzled Pro. It's the same thing. It has this one comes with a little brush, so you could brush the glue off of the top, off of the tip. And comes with these ones also. The reason why I got two is because I wanted to see if the tips were the same or different. It comes with this, it comes with this, and it comes with this little stand. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you because I already have this one heated up. This one doesn't have an on and off switch. I like it because it's easy to hold, but I don't like that it doesn't have an on and off switch. So what you're going to do is have your little stone on something flat, not plastic because this might melt it, and you're just barely going to tap it to pick it up. So it picks it up. Let me see. I don't think you can see this. But you just leave it on for probably like, I don't know, 5 or 10 seconds. And you can see that it's melted. And all you gotta do is barely touch where you want it to stay. And that's it. It's really fun and it does stick. Okay, but my advice to you is if you're gonna, if the material is really thin, to have something under it, because the glue might melt and it might stick. Like if you have it folded or something, it might stick on to the other material. But this is also, where is it at? This is what I did to this. I put like little accent stones on here. So I did this. And I ordered this on Amazon, and these stones. And I also got this. It's the same thing as, it does the same thing as this. But only it's this. And if you want to change the sizes, you just unloosen it here and it turns. And you basically do the same thing. You put the material in, this lifts, you put your material down, you get, oops, you get your, let me try and do something. I think if the material's thin, it's better to push it down before you lay it on here. Oops. So you just make sure it's on the top. Oops. Make sure it's on the top. You get this and you push it down. And it does the same thing and holds it. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of some stuff I got, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.